Welcome to another exciting edition of Hot Takes with me, your host, Zach Gardner, Chief Take Officer / Chief Architect here, Keyhole Software. Today's hot take is, should managers, directors, AVPs, any level above architect, commit code? My hot take is no, and here's why. As many of you might know, I'm an avid reader. There are tons and tons of things that I read, 4 or 5 books sometimes simultaneously. And there are a lot of lessons learned that we in the software development field can take from things that are completely unrelated to software development that really do apply to best practices that we should be following. One of those is the military. Now, the military has a long history, and they've had a lot of time to figure out what works well and what doesn't work well. And one of the idioms that they always use is, as soon as a general unholsters their pistol, they stop becoming a general and they become a soldier again. When you're no longer a general, you can no longer see the entire battlefield. You're pigeonholing yourself. You're pigeonholing what you're viewing as your immediate problem to be no longer a wide expanse and truly understanding the big picture, but you are focused what's only directly ahead. My personal opinion is that if a manager, if a director, if anyone other than a VP of engineering at a startup is committing code, they have blinders on. They're focusing on solving a specific technical problem, when in reality, the best value that they can provide to an organization is the fact that they have a very wide lens that they see all problems through, and they don't have to focus on writing unit tests or writing clean code. The value that they give to the organization can be so much broader than that. And they're focused not only on their particular problem, but the problems of the members of every single one on their team. And as soon as they open up that IDE, as soon as they pull down from GitHub, they lose that focus, they lose that clarity. They have a myopic view of what they need to be doing on a day-to-day basis. And honestly, the most value that those people can provide is so much larger than any one function or any one JIRA ticket that they could be working on. The value that they provide is ensuring that the members of their team are accomplishing the goals and responsibilities that the organization needs to, and employee retention. Those two things are the sole responsibility of every manager, of every director, of everyone at every single level. And as soon as you open up Visual Studio Code, you lose that focus. So that's my hot take for today. If you agree with me, post that in the comments and let me know why you think I'm right. If you disagree with me, I want to hear from you too. I want to understand your perspectives. So use our feedback QR code, post a comment, let me know why you think that a director or a manager or an AVP is correct in pulling down code and committing it to source control.